Hello everyone, this is Bhuneshwari. I am a recent graduate from Centurion University. I am working as an X-ray and mammo technician in KIMS Chakra Cancer Center. I am happy with Centurion University. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Ramesh Yadav. I completed BSc Radiology in Centurion University. Now I am working as MRI technologist in Star Prime Diagnostic MVP branch Vishakhapatnam. I am happy with Centurion.
Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Dilshir, a recent graduate from Centurion University of Technology and Management. Every final year student has dreamed of one thing, it's just a placement. And I have got a better placement at KIMS Shikara Guntur with the help of Centurion University. Thank you for the Centurion University.
Hi, myself Vishal Reddy. I am from Centurion University. Recently graduated in BSc Radiology. I got placed in Zoy Hospital, Santapur, Hyderabad.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Nikhil Kumar. I'm graduated from Centurion University, Vijayanagar. Now I have placed at a City Neuro Center as a CT and MRI technician in Banjaras, Hyderabad.
Hi everyone, my name is Mansa. I completed my graduation in Centurion University, Vizianagaram. Now I got placement in Apollo Teleradiology, Hyderabad.
Hello everyone, this is Rajesh. I have completed my BSc in Radiology at Centurion University of Technology and Management, Vijayanagaram. I have placed as a MRI technologist at Yashoda Hospitals, High Tech City, Hyderabad.